Hello everybody, I'm Sam, this is my corner, and we're back again with Space Engine. I've come back here to do my second episode, isn't that wonderful? So today we're going to be doing a little bit of flying around in not just the solar system, but the whole galaxy. And this video actually has a goal, and our goal is to find life somewhere in the galaxy. So I guess let's stop my squabbling. I've got to stop saying that word because that's not the word I meant to be saying quarrelling, not squabbling. So I'm done with my talking, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna need to turn that off so I can see. So our solar system is very, very fun, but there are other solar systems in the galaxy, like this one. I believe this is, yep, this is the Proxima Alpha. It's the Centauri star system, 4 light years away. Closest star system to us. These are Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B. Binary system. Oh, it's kind of a triple system because over there somewhere, I think it's... that's Betelgeuse. I'll find it. So, there's no solar systems coming off of these, but it is a binary system, so that is cool. I mean, 2 stars in the night sky is quite cool. Aha, I found it. This over here should be Proxima Centauri. Unless I've completely messed up my name. No, we're good. Well, it's called Proxima, but I think it's called Proxima Centauri. But here it's called Proxima, and it also has some planets, I think. I think that's what these are. I would like to see the solar system. So, it has Proxima D, B, and C. Let's go to Proxima D. Ooh, this planet has a form of water on it. So we're already getting close to life. What does it look like from the surface? I kind of want to land near one of these oases. Oasis? Oasis-I. It will be one of the few that I mentioned. They're actually quite big. They're like lakes. So if I land on the surface here, that's bright. It's bright in the night sky. It's pretty though. Can you see the Alpha? I don't think you can actually. I don't think it's possible to see the Alpha Centauri system. I think the main sun's too bright. I think for that we'd have to wait till night time. Ooh, this planet's tidally locked. Interesting. Like that. I do like that. Proxima B. Doesn't have water on it. Ooh. Doesn't have water on it, but it does have a small atmosphere, I think. Just for moving the camera a bit quickly. I surprised myself with that. No, actually I don't think it does. That's a cool... That looks like Mars. That does. If I put it on photo mode. That does look cool. I'll land on the planet, though. This also showcases that it does have an atmosphere. It's just a very small one, but an atmosphere nonetheless. Kind of simulate what a sunset would look like if I just move backwards along the planet. You will start to see the sun set in the sky, and then you can also see it rise. So that is quite pretty. I smashed into the ground. That is quite pretty, I'd say. And time for Proxima C, which does rotate. Ooh, it's got rings. See them there in contrast with the planet. That's cool. I like that. I'm trying to see if I can see them from the surface. Very, very faintly you can. But I know you can't. It's my cursor, you can't see that. It's also a bit difficult to see. Why was my desktop thing zoomed out so far? There you go. Zoomed in so far, sorry. There you go, there you go. Much better, much better. Is that our star? It is. Far away. Let's hit play. The sun is set. Well, Proxima is setting. I don't know which way it's going to come up from. I just hope I haven't messed this one up. No, I haven't! Very, very cool. Done exploring our closest star system, so I think it's time to move over into the big galactic space. I'm just gonna pick a star. That one. Mirak. I think it's Mirak. Does Mirak have planets? No, it doesn't. But it is another binary system. Whoa. Bright. No planets there. If I just zoom through the galaxy a bit. Maybe I should zoom through to the center. That is weird to look at. I pick this one. Yes, this one has planets. Ooh, it's got water on it. We've got water. It's a binary system too. I keep getting way too close to these stars. Okay. That's cool. Let's go to the gas giant in the system. There are so many moons. I believe I'm meant to be facing this way. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Wow, that is pretty. It's very, very pretty, I think. Oh, that one's a bit like that one's a bit like Humaya. Humaya? I'll never get it right. Right, what system are we at? What system? We're not. This is a terrestrial planet, a nice rocky planet, with a lot of moons. Well, that's an interesting one. I like that moon. I think I'm gonna land on this one. Woohoo. Oh, is all the light? I think all the light's coming from the planet. Or is it? I don't know. Is the sun just over this hill? Yes, yes it is. I don't think we have life though. Unfortunately. But we have water. We're getting closer. What do double sunsets look like? I've never seen that before. A double sunset. Whomp. Colours are pretty. There's like a pink there. Well, that's not terrifying at all. Just the planet in the empty blackness of space. No, wouldn't be scary at all. A bit scary though. Anyway, I can't spend too long looking at stuff like that as we have so much to get through. So I'm just going to set it to so many light years a second. I'm going to fly around a bit more. I've activated the Star Trek warp drive. And which star are we going to? Oh, I've flown out. Ooh, but there are like stars up here. What would it be like to... No, these are... Oh, star cluster. Can I find life on one of these? And yes, I know there's a feature that could let me search for life, but what's the fun in that? It's like an Easter egg hunt. when it comes to this. Here we go to this star, which has some interesting planets, and it has an interesting shape. Just like shaped like an egg, really. Oh wow, I thought we were flying through the star. Nope. This is just how close this planet is. I'm surprised it's not being ripped up by tidal forces, honestly. Although that's more of a universe sandbox thing than a space engine thing. That is pretty, though. That is very, very pretty. Second planet. Looks a bit like Venus. Ooh, this could be interesting. Like, go up here. Whoa, I can't even see the star. There is so much atmosphere to go through before then. It's like a gas giant. It looks like a gas giant. But those aren't... This isn't the surface. There's just a cloud layer. Very, very pretty. Oh, very, very peculiar, I guess is the word. I thought this had water on it. I don't think it is. I think it's just more atmosphere. I would be right. Whoa. See, I was gonna land on this planet and like observe the atmosphere. Well, not the atmosphere, the star cluster. Be a little. Whoa, hold on. I saw a big glow of heat. That's cool. I'm gonna land next to one of these big pockets of glowy goodness. This is actually what you'd see, because this is in photo mode. Very cool. There is one more planet. It's also like Venus, and I'm guessing this is also quite the atmosphere. Yes! That is dense. I hide the atmosphere. Which button does that? It glowed when I got up next to it. Oh yes, it's just one of this. It's just one of these things. It does. It's the clouds. It's these clouds. That's an interesting planet. That's a very interesting planet. It's got lava rivers. I like that. And I came across this just by bumbling around galaxies. Very, very cool. I kind of want just a random... It's the firework star cluster. It's like one of those wallpapers you'd find. The galaxies are on the ceiling now. Come on, come back round. There we go. There we go. If I just go to this object. It's another I keep coming across these binary systems. Black hole. This ain't no ordinary binary system then. Now that's gonna cause me problems. I'm gonna get a little ways away from that. It's that bulge in space. HDR mode, you don't actually see anything. Does it have a mini accretion disk? I think it's taking from the star itself. Life. The universe. And everything. I must go on my quest now. To find life. Another star cluster. But any stars with life. Completely randomly, I'm going to you. Give me life, give me life. No life, but an interesting planet with rings. Again, I thought it had water on it. It doesn't. Do these also work like Saturn's rings? No, I don't. No, they don't. No, they do. Don't worry. They do. It's a cool sight, though, flying through the rings down to a planet. I'm going to go and land on this mountain. Volcano thingy. I like that. That's pretty. It's very pretty, actually. Got the moon. There, I might zoom in on that, actually. That's very, very pretty. I quite like that. Pokes up above the clouds as well. My quest for life. I might have to use the cheaty method. I'm trying to not use the cheaty method, but it might just be the only way. See, I want to find a single star, but you only find clusters out this far. I found the Carina Nebula again. What's it like in the center of the galaxy? This one. I want to go to this star. Life? No life. No life. I keep pressing that button. No life at... Oh. I try moving it. Oh, what's happened now? No life. I'd quite like to find this life, actually. It's 4,000 light years. I'm going to search for... unicellular or multicellular. Okay. Getting some stars now. Stop. Go to. Yeah, I found the button for it. This one. Yeah, I definitely used a cheaty method for that. Night sky must be beautiful. Oh, it's got an Aurora Borealis as well. We'll go land by the Aurora. That would be an interesting night sky. It's like those telescope photos which look really zoomed in. That's a big cluster. It's called NGC 6528. It's my favourite cluster of them all. That is a pretty night sky though. I'll give it that. Goal complete, I guess, even if a little cheaty at some points. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me that you stuck around till now. If you did, I know you did. I know you stuck around for this long. Because why wouldn't you? It might be a boring video. I wouldn't know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Goodbye.